Kaolin Rotary Kiln is a very practical production equipment, which can be widely used in ceramics, cement, chemical industry, metallurgy and other fields, as an efficient, environmentally friendly and energy-saving equipment. He has a wide range of applications and important roles in all walks of life. Let's take a closer look at the characteristics and advantages of Kaolin Rotary Kiln. Kaolin Rotary Kiln is a very efficient production equipment, which improves production efficiency. At the same time, its high temperature, the characteristics of burning festival, can make the product quality more stable. To achieve a higher standard, so the Kaolin Rotary Kiln has very environmental performance in various industries. It can be used to purify the flue gas. To achieve higher environmental protection standards, at the same time, the equipment also adopts energy-saving design, which can minimize energy consumption, improve production efficiency and reduce production costs. So Kaolin Rotary Kiln has very obvious advantages in environmental protection and energy saving, is an important Kaolin Rotary Kiln for green production. It also has very flexible adaptability. At the same time, the structure of the equipment is simple, easy to maintain and operate, and can minimize production and maintenance costs. Therefore, the Kaolin Rotary Kiln also has very obvious advantages in adaptability and can provide production enterprises with more flexible and efficient solutions. In general, Kaolin Rotary Kiln is a very practical, efficient, environmentally friendly, energy-saving and flexible equipment, which has a wide range of applications in various fields, providing important production and support for production enterprises. If you are looking for a high-efficiency, environmentally friendly, energy-saving production equipment, then the Kaolin Rotary Kiln is your choice.